I got money on my mind. Every time I wake up, trying to execute my. You should see the way I'm rolling. No diamonds in my necklace, but everything is. She wouldn't fuck me if I was broke. Last night she sought me out cause my name is. I'm just getting to this paper. Haters want my attention. Tell them mama see them. Bird shop, 1,000 grams where the squares cop. Sell them out on bird walk. Welcome to my bird shop. Round here, we don't fear rocks. Low blocks, clear blocks. Welcome to my bird shop. Design it down when I'm square copping. I'm fresh as hell if the feds watch. Got a message on my cell that a bird drop. You can say I'm getting lucky from these bird droppings. 1,000 grams in my pot, scurried up till it's rocks. I had the ice make it shock, I tied, I move it up in your block. I move around with them. Don't care who's around, my crew's around. If they move around, they get diamonds all in my wrist, Gucci all in my bitch. Where I shopping in Chinatown, designer down to the kicks. Hit me up for that kilo, cause I got it up for that D-Lo. Your boy Oatz, I'm like Mussolini, Mandela, Frank Guadagnino. Last week I was really low, but right now I'm up. Shorty wanna fuck, I told her first she gotta suck. Straps I gotta tuck, I always have my product off. The streets I'm just a product of, call off my product talk. And you should see the way I'm rolling. No diamonds in my chain, but everything is golden. My phone's ringing, so I got some money waiting on me. But at the same time, I got so many hating on me. Bird shop, 1,000 grams where the squares cops. Sell them out on bird walk. Welcome to my bird shop. Round here, we don't fear rocks. Low blocks, tear blocks. Welcome to my bird shop. Design it down when I'm square cops. I'm fresh as hell if the feds watch. Got a message on my cell that a bird drop. You can say I'm getting lucky from these bird droppings. Welcome to my bird shop. You say I'm getting lucky from these bird droppings. I'm in Dolce & Gabbana. I'm laughing to the back. Na. Catch me on the shift again. Like, move or break again. This bird shop, it's a place real, the killers on the curve shop.